In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces in Canva. If you're sharing photos publicly and want to protect someone's privacy, or you simply want to focus attention elsewhere in your design, blurring a face is quick and easy in Canva. I'll walk you through it step by step so you get a clean, consistent result without guesswork. Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the photo you want to edit. Click the image itself to make sure it's active on your canvas. You should see a border or handles appear around it, confirming it's selected and ready to edit. With the image selected, click on Edit. This opens Canva's editing panel for that specific image, giving you access to the tools you'll need for blurring. If you don't see the panel right away, make sure the image is still selected. Clicking elsewhere can hide the options. In the editing panel, look for Tools and then click See All. This expands the full set of tools so you're not limited to just the basics. It's a helpful way to find the blur option quickly without digging through multiple menus. Now click on Blur. This brings up the blur controls along with the brush options you'll use to paint the effect onto the parts of the image you want to obscure. Think of this like a digital paintbrush that applies blur only where you brush. Before you start painting, adjust the brush size. A larger brush is great for covering bigger areas like a full face, while a smaller brush helps you trace around edges more precisely. If you're working near hairlines or glasses, start smaller to keep the blur neatly contained, then switch larger to fill the center quickly. Next, adjust the intensity. This controls how strong the blur appears. A lower intensity creates a soft haze, while a higher intensity makes the face fully unrecognizable. A good approach is to start around the middle and increase until the facial features are no longer identifiable. Now brush the face. Zoom in a little for accuracy and use steady strokes to cover the entire face, including eyes, nose, and mouth. Overlap your brush strokes slightly so you don't leave any sharp, clear patches. If you notice edges that look too crisp, go over them again with a slightly larger brush or a higher intensity to smooth them out. When you're done, take a quick look at the image as a whole to make sure the blur looks natural and consistent. That's it. Your subject's face is now safely blurred using Canva's built-in tools.